So how do you end up with a nice bead like that from an old pair of MIG pliers and a ball bearing? Well, let me show you. So I just wanted to make a basic bead around the edge of this aluminium tubing. It's 32mm or 1.25" outside diameter, 1.5mm wall thickness. And what I wanted to do is just see if I could make a bead utilising the bits and bobs I've got around the workshop. So I'll show you what I've got. I've got a pair of MIG welding pliers, an 8mm ball bearing which come off a ball race or something else. I'll show you what I did. So pretty basic really. Get your ball bearing on a piece of tape like so. Get your pliers, put that ball bearing in the little recess there. Just tape it over like that. You don't have to weld it in position or anything like that. Like that, and I'll show you what you do next. Right, so you got your ball bearing sellotape to that side of the recess. Just drop your aluminium tube and drop your pliers on the floor as well. Let's try again, shall we? Right, drop your aluminium tube on the top, just down like that. And start working the tube around. This is going to be 5 minutes of exciting YouTube video, so I think we'll speed this bit up, shall we? So there we go, about 3.5 minutes work. You've got yourself a nice little bead. I'm pretty pleased with that result, but what I'm going to do is anneal this side and just soften the aluminium up a little bit. Just see if we can get an even better result than that, just as a comparison. Let that cool down a bit and then we'll start the process again. Right, the aluminium, or aluminum as our American cousins say, has cooled down. Let's give this a go, see if we can make it look a little bit nicer by taking a bit more time. Again, I'm going to speed this up. So there we go, there's the annealed side of the tube that I've just done. Just dressed it up a little bit with a file and some sandpaper, and that's come up really well. Really pleased with that. The other side, I carried on squeezing the pliers a little bit more, just to see how it would behave without annealing. And as you can see there, if I can just focus the camera, it's just started to crack the aluminium. So I do recommend the annealing process if you're going to go deep with a bead on this tube. But all in all, really pleased with that result. That'll work perfectly on my car.